in life. We have many paths we can follow, each one leading into the unknown. We can't take all of them, and therefore, we must make choices, never realizing the destination which could have been. So, once you choose your path, I say, make it an epic journey. With God's good graces, a supportive family, and educational opportunities, the path I chose became the best 4 years of my life. I made lasting friendships, traveled several continents, and learned whichever route is chosen, own your decision and pioneer your journey. We are in the city of Mityana, a small village outside, where we're going to be building a well. A lot different than the U.S., where in the U.S. you just kind of sign a few contracts, start building. Here you need to get the elders involved, the community involved. It's an all-around where everyone needs to decide yes. So we have our group over there, kind of going over to like certain designs that we can do. Well, the elders over there are going over, is it going to be beneficial for the community, with their ancestors like it, what's going to do to the land, how it's going to affect them later in the future for their kids. So it's a much longer process, but I think we're going to build a well, which is a great sign for the community and going on in the future.
Falls National Park, about to see a waterfall and then going on a nice safari.
Behold, a flying training group.
Payton, Heiman.
You already know it's gonna be a good day. Wake up, see some rainbows. Oh, it's gonna be a good day.